Thank you for joining me. I have another piece that I just recently designed. This is a treble clef. And for those of you who know music, know that this is a symbol of music. It will normally arrive a little bit flattened out. I use my pliers to lift and raise these pieces, and there's many ways this little treble clef can be used. I'd like to show you a few. I've created these loops. They're closed and quite three-dimensional, that allow you to attach the treble clef to a piece of jewelry as a pendant, as a clasp, and if you wish, as a pendant. This makes this a very, very functional piece as well as being beautiful. By the way, this loop will not run off the end. Keeps the piece secure. There are other loops that were designed to go with this. This is a 3-to-1. There is a 2-to-1, which looks like Mickey Mouse ears, and a 4-to-1 for larger pieces. These loops work with this clasp as well as others. I've also designed cones that make it very easy for you to connect this piece to any piece of beaded work that you might need cones for. Thank you so much. Hope this gives you some ideas of things that you might want to create.